stress, anxiety, depression, and substance use like alcohol, smoking, and drugs are all related to childhood trauma. Hi, I'm Dr. Ruhi Satija. I'm a psychiatrist and a therapist, and in this video, we are going to talk about the effects of strict parenting on child's mindset. As a psychiatrist and as a mother, I understand the effects of different parenting style, not just in the childhood, but also the consequences of it in the later adulthood, not just with the individual, but on families and as society in large. So let's discuss some of the effects and the psychological impact of strict parenting. Strict parenting refers to a style of parenting which involves a lot of control, following rules and regulations, and a lot of discipline. Often, parents use punishment as the source and the way of putting that discipline in a child's mindset. Now, in the heart, the parent might feel that this is for the best of the child, and they might say or argue even that this is how their parents had grown them. And then, of course, they are successful today, so they see it to be the fitting way of parenting. Especially in the Indian society, this is the belief. But scientific studies say very differently. Some of the effects of this type of parenting are low self esteem in the child. Often, there is a need of high external validation. That means that the person only sees themselves worthy if they produce some results. The self esteem is so low that only the results lead to them feeling that they are worthy of something, which means that if they do not produce results, it leads to stress, anxiety, depression. We often hear this news of people in 10th standard, 12th standard committing suicide once they do not get the results. And often these are not the people who failed the exam, but toppers even who score a bit less than what they had expected, because in their head they did not meet the expectation of the parent. So the self-worth issues, self-esteem issues, and a negative self-image is often one of the consequences of strict parenting. Other consequence of strict parenting is resentment towards the parents. A lot of children who walk into my clinic often hold very strong negative emotions to their parents, which of course they are not able to express because they are a child and they know that there will be consequences. But once they are an adult, not only the relationship declines, they tend to stay away from the parent or avoid parents altogether. It also leads to issues in interpersonal relationships with their friends and romantic partners because they do not know how to behave in a healthy manner in adult relationships. The next is lack of problem solving skills and decision making skills. Because most of the things and most of the decisions are made by the parents and all the person is expected to do is follow what has been told, they do not develop essential skills like problem solving of what to do in a difficult situation or be able to take a decision for themselves because whenever they tried to, they were denied that luxury. So it is important to understand that it does not only lead to some issues in the childhood, but as an adult also, they lack these basic skills which are essential for success. Another consequence is poor social skills. They are so driven to obey the person or so driven to follow the person because they do not have that sense of self-worth where they can stand up for themselves and take a decision for themselves. Often they'll get into situations where even if they know it's not right for them, under peer pressure or under just the feeling of being involved and following the person, they keep on doing some actions which are not right for them, which can end up in very bad consequences. The next, of course, is a rise in mental health issues. Stress, anxiety, depression, and substance use like alcohol, smoking, and drugs are all related to childhood trauma. In one way or the other, we can track back to the childhood and find out what were some of the incidents that happened as a child, which the child was not clearly able to cope up with, which leads to such emotions and such issues in the adulthood. And last but not the least is the quality of life. A happy and a healthy childhood with some strong bonds and stable bonds is essential for the proper brain development, which not only will impact their childhood but, of course, decide what will be the consequence in the adulthood. It determines the success level, it determines the happiness level and health level of the child. So, having a stable home, having a home where they can express who they are, they can express what they want without fearing the consequence, is a basic need, not a luxury. So, if you are somebody who believes in strict parenting and has been following it just because that's what you have learned from your parents, maybe it's time to do some research, read about it, and make some better opinions about it. Yes, sometimes discipline is important. Sometimes we need to draw some lines and boundaries with the kids. We cannot allow them to do anything that they want, but there are better ways to handle it. So make sure that you research what type of parent you are or you're about to become, and then decide what is it that you would like to do differently this time. Children are our hope, they are our future. It's important that we give them a right start.